What's going on, guys and girls? Skillstick here. So as you guys know that I've been working using this is the Dell Inspiron 15-5577 and I've used it for around 4 to 5 years. It was a good laptop and I've used it a lot. So if you guys have got the stream because of this thing. It was a monster of a machine with 1050 graphic GTX and an i7 7th gen with 8 threads. Well, the sad news is it's dying. As you guys know, we haven't left no videos whatsoever. That's because my laptop is dying. So, what I did was I went and bought a brand new one. So that's what this video is going to be about. The Asus TUF A17. It's a 17-inch monitor. I'll show you the comparison after a week. Down. I know, don't complain about me keeping it on. I'm going to turn it off later after this video. Okay then. So guys, this cardboard box. So in this cardboard box is what the new machine is. The thing that will entertain me as well as you guys. Let's unbox it then. I mean, they have already unboxed this because Flipkart has their new policy which they have to show the customer that everything is working. Well, I did try to make the best out of this unboxing, stuff. Let's get started. The trusty knife and squeeze it out, and how on earth it's so heavy? I mean, I lift a lot of weights and this thing is heavy. It's more than 2.5 kg, come on. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's the gaming laptop A17. It's the TUF series. That's why I'm hitting it so hard. Okay, then let's get the unboxing. Yes, yeah, look, it's kind of a briefcase where you can carry out. So yeah, press the thingamabob and okay. Oh god. Okay then, so this, you don't need this, this is just the laptop. Yes. But look at this, they have given stickies. I can stick this on the laptop. So yeah, I'll get back to that. Let's get this out of the thing. Yeah, look at that. Shiny, ain't she? So guys, this is the TUF A17, a heavy machine, rugged machine apparently, metal chassis and a honeycomb thingamabob here. It's supposed to be cooling, but I only see a few vents open, so cooling is gonna be quite terrible, I'm guessing. Comes with dual speakers and vents. Okay, I don't know what these are though. Anyway, coming to the main part, where should I stick these? So let me know in the comments below. What all should I stick where? Okay then. So other than the laptop, what you get out of the box is there. What is this? Yeah, it's some rubbish. Forget about it. Then we have the user guide and how to get started if you're a pleb. And with this, you get the power cable. Hey, this is the cable type. How cool is that? So with the cable type. Cable type really. And comes with this big brick of a charger. It's a, what is this? It's a 200 watt charger, see? I don't know if the camera is focusing or not, so anyway, it's there. Okay, that was tiring. Let's get on with it. For now, I'll keep the laptop on the cooling pad and let's, that was bad, don't do that. Refocusing time. Yeah, boy. By the way, the setup that I'm using right now for the video shoot is very finicky. So if you guys want to give me, suggestions for the stand for my phone, it would be much appreciated. Look at that. RGB, boys. You got RGB. Woo! It's the gaming performance thing. Matters the most. Anyway, look at the clarity of the display. It's amazing. Yeah, it does that. So yeah. What do you guys think? Huh? First of all, where should I put these? Let me know. I can remove these and put it here as well. So, let me know in the comments down below. Okay then, that's it. See you all next time. Peace out. Bye bye.